Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to make iPhone easy for elderly. Here are the simple steps to make an iPhone easier and more comfortable for elderly users. First, increase the text size by going to Settings, Display and Brightness, Text Size, then slide to make the text larger. Enable bold text. In Settings, go to Display and Brightness section. Turn on bold text for clearer words. Turn on Display Zoom, Larger View by going to Settings, Display and Brightness, Display Zoom, Larger, and set it to Zoomed View. Increase button shapes and contrast by going to Settings again, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on button shapes. Increase contrast, on or off labels. Enable Zoom Screen Magnifier by going to Settings, Accessibility, Zoom, and turn it on so they can zoom anywhere with gestures. Enable VoiceOver Spoken Screen. If needed, go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, and turn it on so the iPhone describes items aloud. Turn on spoken content. Go to Settings again, Accessibility, Spoken Content, enable Speak Selection, or you can also toggle on Speak Screen. Reduce motion and animations. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and enable Reduce Motion to make the phone calmer and easier. Enable Assistive Touch. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, and turn it on so home actions are easier to tap. Set up larger icons with Display Zoom. Use Settings, Display and Brightness, Display Zoom, larger text so icons appear bigger. Customize the home screen. Remove unnecessary apps and place the most used ones on the first page, like Phone, Messages, Camera, Photos. Use Favorites and Contacts. Open the Phone app, go to Favorites, add important people so they can call easily with one tap. Enable Emergency SOS by going to Settings again, Emergency SOS, enable Call with side button, and add emergency contacts. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.